slid right off the road.
Oh, this would be good for the news.
Quick, take it.
I've got it all. I'm recording it.
Oh, not too bad.
Got it all on camera. Maybe I should send it to the news.
Yeah, I think you should.
Okay, there's more people slipping out right now, I think. No, they're not. That was awesome.
Someone came over from the other side, unfortunately.
I didn't see that. I was just
It
focused.
was a head-on.
Oh. Pretty slow head on.
Yeah, it was.